Here is how to make an email signature as a PDF in Canva. First, you want to open up Canva and search for email signature. I do use the free version of Canva, so I scroll to the bottom and check off free and just choose whatever template you want, or you can make your own. And the ones that have a $sign are the ones that you have to pay for. So there are a bunch of free and paid templates that you can choose from. And I'm just going to use the template that I use for my email signature. So this is just an example. So I'm just adding in the information that I have in my email signature right now. You can search for really anything, elements, different designs. So I'm just using Instagram and Pinterest as an example. So you can choose your colors and sizes. To make the links clickable, you have to select the image and then click link. Then you just add the URL that you want that link to go to and hit enter or return, and it'll say link added. Now I'm just adding my social handle, which obviously you can customize, make it however you want your signature to look. For your email, you do the same thing that you did with the Instagram link. So you just copy your email and then hit link and paste the link in there. And you want to make sure it says link added. So now I am just adding my portfolio link. So I open the URL, copy that, and paste it where I want it to go. This is just an example, so I'm kind of going quick with this, but you can play around, move stuff, and adjust the sizes or whatever you want to do. You can also add other social medias such as TikTok, Facebook, Twitter. Just search it and Canva will probably have it. Then what you want to do is name your document. So I put my name, choose whatever you'd like, and then click share. You go down to download, and then you click PDF standard and hit download again. Once it is downloaded, I usually check to make sure the links are clickable. I hope this video helped, and let me know if you have any questions or comments. Bye.